Hi guys, so I'm going to build my PC. So these are the components: Circle Gaming cabinet, MSI B450 Gaming Plus motherboard. Graphic card is Gigabyte 1660 Ti OC edition, overclock edition. CPU is Ryzen 5 2600X. 8 GB Corsair 3000 MHz RAM, and SSD Gigabyte SSD 240 GB, and I have power supply is 600 watts from Circle. So let's start the unboxing and followed by the configuration. We'll show you everything in this video. So we are doing unboxing of cabinet. So I have my friend Sunil who is helping me out in this configuration. So this is the cabinet and this is the motherboard. How beautiful it is. Black and red combination. This is the I/O ports. And now we are unboxing the processor. Processor is AMD Ryzen 5 2600X. So I will give you the pricing of each component in the video and in the description. That's our processor. So now we are fixing the processor on the motherboard. It's simple. You have to match that sign. So our CPU is set. Now we will put the fan over it. Now we are putting the connection of the fan. So you have to put over here near to RAM slots. Now we will do unboxing of RAM. So RAM I am using is Corsair 8 GB single stick DDR4 3000 MHz. So in this motherboard there are 4 RAM slots. So currently I am using one RAM, one stick of 8 GB, and in future I may put a few 8 GB or 16 GB. So this is the RAM. So now we are unboxing our power supply, Circle Gaming CG Raw Power 600 watts. Okay, now we have placed our motherboard. Now we have to screw it. So there are total 9 screws we have to put. So this is the SSD 240 GB. So I'm doing unboxing of it. So in this there are 2 items, one paperwork and the actual product SSD. This is the SSD, costliest item of this setup, and this is the graphic card, Gigabyte 1660 Ti OC version. Let's put this into our cabinet.